Ready to take your home to the next level? These crazy smart home gadgets do it all, from automating your routine to adding that futuristic touch you didn't know you needed. They're clever, convenient, and guaranteed to make everyday life way easier. All the gadgets are linked in the description below. No more bending down or fumbling with messy covers. This automatic shoe cover dispenser does it all for you. Just step in, and it instantly wraps your shoes in a protective layer, keeping floors spotless and germ-free. With 200 disposable covers included, you're set for countless uses. The non-slip design keeps it stable on any surface, perfect for homes, offices, and workspaces where cleanliness matters most. Your body deserves a real stretch, not just a rest. This full-body massage mat uses 22 air cells that gently expand and contract to ease tension from your neck all the way down to your pelvis. You can pick from 4 automatic modes: stretch, twist, dynamic, or relax, each giving your muscles a different kind of relief. Feeling tight in one spot? Switch to focused modes that target your neck, back, or pelvis, and even adjust the neck height so it fits just right. Add soothing warmth, and you've got a mat that melts away stiffness and leaves you feeling like you just came from a spa. Tight on space, but need more storage? This slim 4-tier cabinet slides perfectly into narrow corners, giving you instant room for towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. It arrives fully assembled. No tools, no stress. The waterproof design keeps everything dry, while the wheels make it easy to move wherever you need. Clear drawers and a built-in toilet paper holder make staying organized, effortless, and neat. Movie nights just got smarter. This futuristic coffee table doubles as a mini fridge, keeping up to 68 cans perfectly chilled right beside you. Voice control opens it hands-free, while a built-in wireless charger powers your devices on top. Sleek LED lighting and a digital display give it that modern, high-tech look. More than furniture, it's your ultimate entertainment hub disguised as a coffee table. Here's a smarter way to keep your bathroom tidy. This wall-mounted toothbrush holder keeps everything in one neat spot. Your brushes, toothpaste, razors, even combs. The built-in dispenser gives you the perfect amount of toothpaste every time. No waste or mess. It installs easily without drilling, and the upside-down cups keep everything dry and dust-free. Say goodbye to buzzing flies the easy way. This electric fly trap quietly does the dirty work for you. Just add a bit of bait, plug it in, and let it run. The rotating arms gently sweep flies inside where they're safely contained. It's chemical-free, odorless, and totally hands-off. Perfect for kitchens, patios, or anywhere you want a clean, bug-free space without lifting a finger. Ironing doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This steam press gives you crisp, wrinkle-free clothes in a fraction of the time. Just place your fabric, close the lid, and let the powerful steam and even pressure do the work. With adjustable heat settings, it handles everything from denim to silk with ease. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, it's your shortcut to professional-looking results at home. This isn't your average humidifier. It's like a little science show for your room. Watch as water droplets seem to flow upward, creating a mesmerizing anti-gravity illusion while filling the air with cool, refreshing mist. The quiet 36 decibel operation makes it perfect for sleep or study. It shuts off automatically when water runs low, and the built-in LED clock adds a modern, calming touch to any space. Wet boots after a long day? No problem. This electric boot dryer uses warm, gentle air to dry shoes, boots, and even gloves in just a couple of hours. The flexible arms bend and extend to reach deep inside, ensuring every corner gets dry. With an automatic timer, it shuts off safely when done. Quiet, efficient, and easy to use. It keeps your gear warm, dry, and ready for your next adventure. Meet the little robot that makes plant care fun. This smart planter isn't just a pot. It's a tiny companion that helps your plants thrive while keeping you entertained. It reacts with emojis, gestures, and even reminders when your plant needs water or light. You can track everything through the app and adjust conditions instantly. It's adorable, intelligent, and the cutest way to keep your plants happy and healthy. Ever wish your outlet could just move closer? This clever extender brings power right where you need it. It stretches and swivels to reach behind couches, desks, or nightstands. No more crawling on the floor. With USB-A, USB-C, and 2 AC outlets, you can charge everything from phones to lamps in one spot. Just plug it in, stick it with the included strips, and enjoy instant, clutter-free convenience. Transform any room with this stunning uplighter floor lamp that does way more than just light up a corner. It projects dynamic ripple effects that dance across your walls and ceiling, creating the perfect vibe for movie nights, parties, or relaxation. You can switch between warm and cool tones, or sync it with your smart home for voice control. Sleek, modern, and endlessly customizable, this lamp sets the mood your way. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This compact electric dryer may be small, but it handles your everyday loads with ease. Plug it into any standard wall outlet, and you're good to go. No special setup needed. Choose from multiple drying modes like sensor dry, air dry, or anti-wrinkle to get perfect results every time. With its stainless steel drum and quiet performance, it's the ideal laundry companion for small spaces. Say goodbye to messy ice trays that stick and spill everywhere. This smart ice cube set makes freezing and serving ice effortless. You get 2 flexible trays, a storage bin with a lid, and tongs, all neatly stackable to save freezer space. Just press the soft base, and the cubes pop out without twisting or banging. Perfect for coffee, cocktails, or daily drinks. It keeps your ice clean, organized, and ready whenever you need it. Printing on the go just got easier. This wireless portable printer fits right in your bag and works anywhere, at home, in the office, or even in your car. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, letting you print documents, notes, or photos in seconds. No ink, no mess, just thermal paper and clean, crisp prints every time. With its rechargeable battery and compact size, it's your pocket-sized printing solution. Feeding your pet just got a smart upgrade. This automatic feeder lets you schedule up to 10 meals a day right from your phone. No more worrying if your cat or dog got fed. It even plays a custom voice message at mealtime, so your pet still hears your voice when you're away. The airtight design keeps kibble fresh and crunchy, and built-in sensors alert you if food runs low or gets jammed. It's reliable, connected, and perfect for busy pet parents. Falling asleep or calming down just got a lot easier. This handheld sleep aid uses gentle pulses to help your body relax and unwind. You can choose low settings to drift into deep sleep or higher ones to melt away daytime anxiety. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and fits right in your palm, perfect for travel or quick breaks. Simple, soothing, and surprisingly effective. It's your pocket-sized relaxation partner anywhere you go. Turn your room into a miniature galaxy. This star projector fills your space with breathtaking views of constellations, planets, and the Milky Way, right from your ceiling. The high-definition optical lens creates crystal-clear, starry scenes that feel almost real. Soft, gentle light helps you relax, study, or drift off to sleep peacefully. With adjustable angles, auto timer, and replaceable discs, it's your personal planetarium whenever you need a little cosmic calm. Light up your outdoor space the smart way. This solar-powered post light automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn. No wiring or switches needed. Its cast aluminum body and glass panels give it a timeless vintage look while staying tough against weather. You can mount it on a pole or flat surface for easy setup anywhere. With warm, gentle LED light, it adds charm and glow to any garden or pathway. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This self-cleaning litter box automatically detects when your cat's done and quietly cleans up right after. Waste is sealed in an odor-proof compartment, keeping your home fresh and spotless. Dual sensors ensure your cat's safety, while the app lets you monitor, schedule, and control cleaning from anywhere. Turn your bathroom into a spa retreat. This 8-bar heated towel rack warms your towels evenly, giving you that fresh from the dryer comfort every time you step out of the shower. It heats up fast, holds multiple towels, and includes an automatic shutoff for safety. You can mount it on the wall and plug it in, or hardwire it for a seamless look. Sleek, matte black stainless steel adds a touch of modern luxury to any space. Meet the robotic cleaner that doesn't just clean, it helps. This next-gen robot comes with a 5-axis mechanical arm that actually moves objects out of the way, picks up socks, and even organizes small items like tissues. Its dual cameras and sensors let it handle things gently, with a smart weight sensor that knows exactly how much pressure to use. With 22,000 pascals of suction and a hot water mop spinning at 200 RPM, it scrubs away even the toughest stains while keeping your floors spotless. And when it's done, it returns to its dock to wash, dry, and empty itself, leaving you with perfectly clean floors and zero effort. Wake up to natural light without lifting a finger. This automatic curtain opener installs in minutes, no tools or drilling required, and quietly glides your curtains open or closed with smooth precision. You can control it with your phone, remote, or voice assistants for effortless automation. The upgraded motor handles heavier curtains with ease, while its whisper quiet mode keeps mornings peaceful and uninterrupted. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly simple. Perfect tea is now just one touch away. This smart kettle comes with 6 preset modes that heat water to the ideal temperature for green tea, black tea, coffee, and more. So every sip tastes just right. The touchscreen control panel shows the exact temperature in real time and even remembers your last setting. A removable stainless steel infuser lets you brew loose leaves or tea bags directly inside, keeping things simple and mess-free. This isn't your average trash can, it's fully automatic. With a simple wave, the lid opens, seals the bag when full, and even replaces it with a new one. No more touching messy liners or dealing with odors. Its self-sealing and self-changing design keeps your space clean and hands-free, while voice prompts make it super easy for anyone to use. Smart, hygienic, and surprisingly satisfying to watch in action. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.